Bye-bye!
Hi guys, may ano ngayon, may okasyon. Kaso iwan tong isa, ayun no. Kasi meron number of seats lang eh. Kasi graduation ni Julian. Ayan no, nagpe-prepare na siya eh. Ayan, makeup siya mag-isa. As if naman ako magme-makeup sa kanya, mali ko ba? Hindi ako marunong ipit ka, di ako marunong makeup pa. Si Shobe, pabalikan na lang namin mamaya. Baka mamaya wala siyang upuan. Kawawa naman to. Doon ka siya sa labas, no?
Sa kantin, kumain ka doon.
Ayun. Ako nagpe-prepare. Sinatay na lang namin siya. Kinabagay babae.
And in accordance with the laws and orders as mandated for the Department of Education, I, Reverend Father Dante Obulo, OSA, hereby confirm you as completers of the Junior High School Education Program for academic year 2025-2026. Congratulations.
Julia Nicole P. Toribio. My dear St. Ambrose and to your proud parents, my heartfelt congratulations.
Ralph Jacob G. Bautista. John Joseph T. Servando.
And taught to uphold the Museo Salamusin Minyan motto of virtue and science.
Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. We'll get by with a smile. You can win at everything, but you can try.
Sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway.
Girl, I'll say through the bad times, even if I have to face you every day. Don't get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. Let me hear you singing.
Lift your head, it's all pretend of the things that could go wrong.
To our dear parents, thank you for your love. It brings us a smile. We love you.
Now it's time to kiss away those tears goodnight. Hi guys, tapos na yung event. I'm now a graduated student. At the friend ko siya, yes. Naiyak siya kasi hindi na kami magkikita. I mean, gagala pa kami. So, quick update lang guys. So, dito pa rin siya magsistay. Ako nilipat pa rin. So, yeah guys, quick update lang. Bye-bye.
Guys, umuwi muna kami ng bahay. Kasi, change outfit. Di ako sa'yo naka-pants tsaka polo shirt guys. Tsaka sinundo namin sila Shobe, sila Ate Doy. Adik si Erin. Tapos si Don, sinundo namin sa bahay. Magpapalit kami ng sasakyan kasi di kami kasya sa Vigo. At kakain kami sa labas guys. Ito kami guys sa labang. Para mga bibe magkakasunod. Dahil graduation ni Julian, kakain tayo. Ayun si Shobe, kasama na namin.